Hey guys, Mike Hilston here, Chatbot Agency. How you doing? Guys, I'd like to take you through a quick presentation on a funnel that could be used and is used as a home services type funnel. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a roofer, a tiler, a handyman, landscaper, whatever. Okay, this funnel is definitely for you. Now we've kept it really simple, which means it's obviously going to be very simple for your prospects to navigate through. So let me flick through and we'll show you. So here it is. We're going for a carpet cleaning type campaign where we're looking for obviously new leads for those wanting to get their carpets all cleaned up ready for summer. Obviously using the little puppy is going to be a bit of a showcase, and we'll grab some attention there. So first up we'll open the Learn More, and we're still in Facebook at this point, and we're just running through the process. So we'll open that up in the big messenger. Okay, as you can see here, what would you like to do? We can get a quote, a coupon, check out the services, or even check out their service area. So let's obviously go down the quote and coupon level, because that's what people really want straight away. When we're targeting ads to these guys, look, we'd be targeting where this particular carpet cleaner would be actually operating in. So great, Mike, we're just confirming that we've got to get some details. Is that okay with you? Yep, sure. If they said no, just flip them to an endpoint, and they can work it all out from there and see if they really want their help or not. So it's going to confirm the best number to call Mike back on. I am looking for a, let's say, a spring clean. How many bedrooms, including hallways? I've got carpet. Let's go 3. And we'll put in, say, 80 metres squared. Guys, just a little point, this is not calculating quotes. If you're looking for something like that, then we need to go a little bit further, but this is the basic stuff, guys, alright? If you want the one to do quote and all that jazz, you're looking at a lot of money. What we're trying to do here is basically get people to engage and get through the first step. Alright, the carpet cleaner is going to call these guys back anyway, so they can give a quote over the top then. What date would you like to come? Let's say Monday the 4th. We're not using calendar stuff, all that kind of jazz, guys. We can link this in later and book appointments, but let's keep it simple. 4th of November in the morning. Rightio, there we go, confirming, coming in the morning. Righto, okay, so it's as simple as that. Now, currently what would happen right now in the real day is that the prospect would come through, make a phone call, and the carpet cleaner would need to answer his phone. He's probably on the job or driving at the time, so the lead is lost. This way, they're grabbing their details. It can be handled by a virtual assistant or their partner, or it goes straight to the business. Then it's quick follow-up. So right now, we're getting a quote and a coupon, and bang. So we're going to claim our coupon when you follow up as a carpet cleaner. So let's just have another look around here so we can contact. Alright, just to run through a couple of these parts. So share on Facebook. These guys are pretty good. So I'm going to share these guys and give them a bit of a plug. How cool was that? Okay, how cool was that? Just booked in with a carpet cleaner using a messenger chatbot from an ad. Too easy. Alright, so we'll just fire that, we'll post that, just say how good are they. The website, so this could be a carpet cleaners, landing page where, they've got all their photos of happy people and testimonials, so that button could be client testimonials, for instance. And then book a call, this could be, book an appointment, but we're using it more so for us as inbound lead generation for AdsThatChat. If you've got an online calendar as a service provider, we would probably skip that question in that form and bring it in, and that last button here, get coupon, would have been book. Okay, would you like to book in now? So it could be get coupon, book it in, and away we go. At least you've got the information here. You would just need to grab effectively that info there, and away you go. Now let's also come through here and look at their services. So this is with carpet cleaning, this could be with any other type of service. As we said, roofer, tiler, pest inspector, whatever, you name it. And of course, what areas are they working in? We're just going to bring up a map. They're the service areas, Brisbane, Ipswich and Toowoomba, quite a vast area, that one. And again, this will be a call now. So if you're on your mobile phone, you could actually call them directly. So let's pop back into the contact and we'll leave it at that. So guys, that's how easy it is. So that's a business services one. Now combining with ads, you are going to get much greater results. Ads, we would estimate that you should spend at least $10 a day on those. If you're thinking anything else, well, look, go back to letterbox dropping, honestly. And the letterbox dropping, you still got to print the damn things and you're going to waste your time dropping them in yourself. This we can target by suburb, so these ads could be, hey, we're going to be doing carpet cleaning in Nunda next Tuesday, would you like to book us in? Something like that, and let's just target Nunda, alright? So just using a simple funnel like that will get you the outcomes that you're probably going to want, alright? So once again, this is Mike Hilston from the Chatbot agency. We're here to build your database by using funnels that take the punter from the ad right through to your database. Okay? Thanks. Have a great day. We'll chat later. Cheers. Bye now.